Gold traded in a narrow zone with a modest bearish bias yesterday as expected, and as I shared yesterday, 20-40-42 zone again proven out to be a great resistance, while on the downside 2020 levels proven out to be great support. It is consolidated further, creating higher lows, lower highs. Now, what to expect from gold today? How we are going to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session. Today we have a key data coming in, that is the inflation data from US. Definitely it will bring lot much of volatility into the gold prices. Thus you need to be traded with caution. Now let's have a look here. Towards the end of this update, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Watch till the end. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. And do like, share, and comment, friends. Your every like, comment is a great motivation to me. And join the channel memberships to get additional benefits. Let's start first to look into hourly charts. If you look at hourly charts, see after the drop it is retraced, and since the retracement it is forming a good flag formation, creating lower highs, lower lows. Now one point to note, see the lows here and see the lows here. If you look at again same zone 20-40-42, or rather I will say 38-40 is going to be a greater resistance zone on the upside. 20-18-20 is going to be the support levels. Now that is the first point. Look at the second point here. See here it was trading with slight sideways bias. Now if you look at it, it has certainly changed its gradient and it is now looking more slight bearish as of now on the hourly charts. Second observation here is it is consolidated here 3 to 4 candles, and since then we have seen a rise. And the next observation here is look at the higher lows here, which suggest that it is still in the consolidation zone. It is not to be treated bearish and neither it is bullish, as we have seen lower high. Now see, there is a reversal sign. It is taking support from the 20 period moving average here and from the median of the Bollinger Bands. But let's have a detailed look. Say stochastic was overbought, trying to cool down. MACD has crossed over here, trading with little divergence, bullishness. It is 3 candles away from the crossover. RSI is comfortable. Coming to 2 hour, similar observation on the 2 hour charts. Reversal sign, rise here, lower highs, lower lows here. Change of slope is something you should watch out for. It is right now appearing to be bearish, but I will wait for the next candle. If it stays about 20-35-36, again we can look forward to 38-42 zone, and after that sky is the limit, because see after the rise it is still giving higher lows, lower highs, and this is a follow-up to this rise. Thus, if it breaks out on the upside above 20-40-42 zone, certainly more bullish momentum may prevail. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over here. See first greener candle, and it is trading with modest divergence. We have to wait for it to diverge more, means more bullish candles are expected. RSI flat. Coming to 3 hour, likewise on the 3 hour charts, reversal sign after 2 bearish candles. Then modest bullishness here is seen. Higher lows so far, higher highs are also there. And thus this suggests that only selling entry is below 2025, where you can expect 2018-2020 the support levels, and below 2018 if you see gold trading below 2014-2015, that is the support level. Below 2014-2015, certainly more bearish momentum is going to be seen. Also look at the 3 hour charts closely. You will find the drop here, the retracement, the drop here, the retracement, and it could give the second wave here, taking it till towards 2010. Now 2010 is going to be another key support level today. Stochastic rising, MACD is trading with modest bullishness here. RSI is flat. Coming to 4 hour chart, on the 4 hour chart, see preceding 2 candles, lower highs, higher lows. This candle gave a breakout, but this candle failed to stay bullish. The body size is very small as of now, where this candle closes, and if you see the third candle staying bullish, suggests that it is trying to reverse. Now see, divided into 2, you will find there is a symmetry, but with lower highs. This suggests that suddenly it has changed the slope towards bearish bias, but we have to wait for it. Look at these two, identically symmetrical. Then also look at the levels here, higher lows. Thus as long as 2018-2020 is not breached, we are not going to treat gold as bearish. What has happened here? Moving averages have come down. 20 period moving average right now sitting at around 34 levels, and 50 and 100 at around 20-40 levels. This makes this zone as a very, very strong resistance zone for gold to break past by. The stochastic rising, MACD. Now look at MACD. It has fallen Here it has crossed over twice and trading with very little divergence. Yes, it is still in green. RSI rising, coming to the daily chart. And before we look into the daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 28th mentorship batch commencing on 3rd week of January. Register yourself now. Visit the platform forexfunda.com for more details or queries. You can also join my webinar series where every Sunday we take a deeper insights into the markets. And yes, if you want to trade as per the signals, reach out to me via Telegram. Join the free Telegram channel. Visit the platform forexfunda.com. Definitely this platform will add meaning to your trading decisions. And yes, the free Telegram channel will also keep you updated with the latest updates. Let's start now. On the daily charts, you will find again lower highs, higher lows. You have to look into it in detail. See, first of all, prices are getting resistance from the 20 period. This is also sitting at around 2040. This creates this zone as a greater resistance zone. Now see the where the candle has started today. It is opened on a flat, opening flat. We have seen the price is rising. Now remember, it is going to form a wick and possibly it will try to drop more. And how far it can go, I will definitely observe how it behaves at around 2018-2020 zone. That is the first part. Remember, preceding candle comes with lower highs, lower lows. Now 2018-2020 definitely a good support. And then just take a larger look here. You will find 3 to 4 candles have hit the lows as well. Now where are the lows here? The lows are little far below at around 2004 2010 levels. Yes, these are going to be the two support levels which are going to play a major role. Thus, once we see the price is staying below 2018-2020, certainly it is going to get more pull on the downside, where first target should be 2010 and then 2004 level. So in between, yes, 14-15 is also, you should consider, that is also a minor support now, and below that is where 2010 should be seen. Very good support is exists at 2010. Now at the same time, remember, as long as it respects 2018-2020, since the prices have opened flat and preceding candle comes with a modest bearish bias, if you see the price is staying above 2035-36, we can buy, but then expect 40-42 or rather 38-42 zone, completely a greater resistance. You have to be cautious as long as 42 is not taken, and then 45-47. If these two are taken, consider that as a reversal, and possibly we are looking forward to a stronger bullish move on the upside. Thus, trade with caution here. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Join the webinar series. So for the day, it appears we can take a sell entry at here at around 25 levels, and a buying entry is only about 35-36, same levels as what we have seen yesterday. 18-20 on the downside, good support. 38-42 on the upside, greater resistance. Beyond 42, little more bullishness, and then we have to wait for it to break past by 48-50 levels. 45-47, 48-50, very good resistance there. Beyond 50, sky is the limit for gold on the upside, and on the downside below 2010 and 2004 is where more bears will take over. Trade accordingly. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session update. Thank you. Watch that as well.